वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज सावंत व्हियास यूट्यूब चॅनल. याच्या आधी पार्ट 1मध्ये आपण आर्टिकल्सविषयी ए एन यांचा यूज शिकलो आहे. तर आता आर्टिकल द याचा यूज कसा करायचा हे आपण पाहूया. तर आर्टिकल द हे डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल आहे आणि याच्या आधी आपण पाहिलं आहे की ए अँड एन दीज आर इनडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल्स. हे इनडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल्स तुम्ही पाहिले नसतील तर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये जाऊन तुम्ही ते पाहू शकता किंवा त्याचा अभ्यास करू शकता. तर आता त्या लिंकवर जाऊन तुम्ही टच करा आणि त्या डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समधून तुम्ही ती माहिती मिळवा. तर आता सेकंड पार्टमध्ये आपण डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल द ह्याचा यूज बघणार आहोत. द डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल द इज यूज्ड. देर आर सम रूल्स फॉर दिस. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट रूल. When we refer to a particular person or thing already referred to before. For example, the book you want is out of stock. The book you want is out of stock. The second example we can take. Let us go to the swimming pool where you go every day. Means book, swimming pool, these are particular things, so we have used their article the. The second rule now, when a singular noun represents the whole class. For example, the lion, the rich, the poor, the rose, the blind. In these examples you can see the singular noun means lion, not only one lion but the group of lion. In this way there are some examples given. Now the third point we can see, when we refer to names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountains, mountain ranges and groups of islands and provinces, etc., the Atlantic, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Gangas, the Yamuna, the Persian Gulf, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Latitude Icelands, the Punjab, the Deccan. So here is not used the Mount Everest because it is a peak. Okay, let's see the following sentences. For example, first sentence is he wanted to go to. Here is not used any article, so there fill up the cross. In India, but his men refused. Before India, there is no article has been given. The second sentence, I advise you to go far out into the Atlantic. Before the word Atlantic, article the has been used. The third sentence you can see, next day Vasco da Gama left dash dash Lisbon. In that place no article has been used. So fourth example you can see, he showed him the way across the Indian Ocean. Here is Indian Ocean has been given, so the article the is used here. You will note that the article the is not used before the names of countries. However, the article the is used before the names of geographical phenomena. For example, the first example we see, the clouds swirl down to touch the Himalayas. The Ganga drains roughly a fourth of the country. So the river name, the Himalayas name, the clouds, in this way these are finally the things which shown, and so there has been used article the. The next rule we can see, with common nouns of unique things. For example, the sun, the sky, the earth, the ocean, the sea, the north, the South, the Bible, the Gita, the Times of India, the Mumbai Samachar. So these are unique things. So article the is used before them. So next rule, with superlatives. You know the superlative degrees also. The superlative, before the superlative degrees we should use article the. For example, the best, the darkest, the easiest. The next rule now, before a noun, he is the singer of the college, means he is the best singer in the college. So there has been used article the. The next rule now, with comparative. You know comparative degree. So there are some words. The more they get, the more they want. The second example, the earlier, the better. These are examples of comparative. So the next rule we can see, something which is one and only one in any given situation, means there is only one, and in this situation you should use article the. For example, the teacher is drawing a graph on the blackboard. The sun, the moon. Okay, these are only one who does their deeds. The next rule now, article the should not be used, means where should not use the article the. There are rules for that. The first rule we can see, before a noun in its widest sense. For example, man is mortal. What kind of animal is it? The third example now, what type of ruler was she? Means here there is noun, but it's in widest sense. So there has been not used article the. The second rule, before names of materials. The materials has been given, name of materials has been given, and not to use there any article. For example, gold is a precious metal. Second example, cotton grows in India. Okay. So third example, iron is stronger. So here has been given metals and not to use any article before that names. Okay, the third rule now, before proper nouns. For example, Mumbai is a big city. Germany is a developed country. India is an underdeveloped country. Bhavna is an emotional girl. My name is Kamlesh. So you can see here there are proper nouns and not to use any article there. Exception means, see here, exception when a proper noun is used as a common noun. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. The Shakespeare, let's see, before Shakespeare of India, here has been used article the. He is the Kapil of our team. Okay, these are also proper nouns, but they are used as common nouns. So here used capital article the. The third example you can see, he may be good poet, but he is not a Keats. John Keats, the poet in English literature. So the examples has been different than each other. You can understand better. The next rule now, before abstract nouns used in general sense. For example, honesty is the best policy. Second example, it is essential to success in life. The third is, beauty is admired by all, but duty is admired by a few. So in these three sentences, three examples, you can see the abstract nouns. The next rule, before uncountables. For example, beauty, milk, wisdom, sorrow, joy. These are uncountable nouns. So the exception we can see, but when the meaning of the abstract is restricted to a particular person or thing, the article the is used. Okay. For example, the beauty of Noor Jahan or Helen, the honesty of our old servant. The third example now, the honesty of Indian merchants. The fourth example, the wisdom of Birbal. So, these are uncountable nouns and we should use their article the. Okay, before collective nouns used in general sense. Mankind loves nature. The second example, society exerts a great pleasure on man. In this way, friends, we have seen the part second of using article the. So friends, like it, subscribe it, and please share also. Thank you.